The Porto Flip is a classic cocktail that combines the rich flavors of port wine with the smoothness of cognac and the creamy texture of an egg yolk. It is a decadent and delightful drink, often enjoyed as a dessert cocktail. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce cognac. Use a well-aged cognac for a richer flavor. 2 ounces ruby port. Ruby port is recommended for its sweet and fruity notes. 1 egg yolk. Make sure it's fresh. Use pasteurized eggs for safety. Optional nutmeg. For garnish, freshly grated adds a nice aroma. For equipment you will need shaker, strainer, cocktail glass, grater, if using nutmeg. Here are the instructions. Add the cognac, ruby port, and egg yolk to a cocktail shaker without ice. Dry shake the ingredients for about 10 seconds to emulsify the egg yolk with the liquids. Add ice to the shaker and shake vigorously for another 15 to 20 seconds until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. If desired, garnish with freshly grated nutmeg on top. The Porto Flip has been around since at least the late 1800s and was featured in the famous 1862 cocktail book, How to Mix Drinks, by Jerry Thomas. It was originally made with whole eggs and different types of wine, before evolving into the elegant cocktail it is today.